The buildings have sprite layers, so you can turn off the background sprites and cash register sprites. Once those are removed, I've also got some backgrounds you can add to it, like this desk for the cash register, and that same background. But now they have to be rearranged in layers so that they're in their appropriate places. So you could actually add other things to the store. Perhaps some of the grocery or store items that are in the standard prop items. So I'll just rearrange things so that they're moved back into the store behind the window, which incidentally is another layer, so you can turn the windows on and off. And now it's just a matter of resizing and moving forward, backwards, so that they fit into the scene properly. And that's the little town with the grocery store and more.